Hey everyone, this is Kevin, your entrepreneur. Welcome to my media channel, and we are looking over Criterion's July titles. Criterion has announced the titles they will be releasing in July, and I have to say, this is one of the best lineups I've seen from them in a while. Not that they have waves where they're really truly terrible, but I want every single one of these titles, and if I wasn't such a penny pincher, I would probably buy them on day one, but I am a bit of a penny pincher, so I'll wait for the sale, but I am definitely putting the money aside early for these. So what are they releasing in July? Well, as you can see kind of just from when I was talking, we're starting out with a Bong Joon-ho film, Okja. This was what Netflix made. I think this was one of Netflix's first bids for basically prestige, and I could see why they backed Bong Joon-ho. I actually saw this one first. I'm like, wow, this is a pretty good movie. And I wasn't aware of other movies he had made, and he of course went on to direct Parasite, which won Best Picture, and one of his first real American movies, Okja, that and Snowpiercer, although they haven't announced Snowpiercer. Yep, this is going to be a good one. And then you have Raging Bull, one of the best Martin Scorsese features ever, and probably one of my favorite films. And continuing on, we have last year's true Best Picture winner, Drive My Car. This was what I had picked as the best film of the year, and I am definitely going to be happy to have this on a 4K disc. Now, I have not heard of Devil in a Blue Dress, admittingly, but it is starring Denzel Washington, so I am going to assume it is going to be awesome. Moving on, we do have The Virgin Suicides and Summertime. Now, I believe these movies were previously released on Criterion, if memory serves. I know at least The Virgin Suicides is, because I own it, which leads me to believe that these are going to be 4K releases. And I think, yeah, that's it. So anyway, yeah, I am really looking forward to this lineup of Criterion movies. And like I said, I'm a little cheap, so I will probably wait for the Criterion sale, but I can almost guarantee you every single one of these are going to be in my cart or in my basket, because I go to a local Barnes & Noble actually for these sales. They will all be in my basket, and I will be picking every single one of them up. Hopefully these are all coming to the 4K format. But anyway, that's a quick little update. Which one of these are you most looking forward to? Was it Okja, Raging Bull, Drive My Car, Devil in a Blue Dress, The Virgin Suicides, or Summertime? In fact, that's a David Lean film, so and that looks like Katharine Hepburn, so I think I'm really looking forward to that one. Anyway, would love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.